But who are part of the Urban iNature Watch Challenge. I want to congratulate you because you actually rocked this challenge. This challenge was launched in 4 cities, that's Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad and Calcutta, and the challenge was who gets the maximum records to the website, and Hyderabad did. Let's give a big clap. Which also tells me that potential or budding biologists are situated in Hyderabad, because so many students participated wholeheartedly and worked very hard. I can imagine it's not only you, I think your teachers and then the WWF team, Karishma would be after every teacher to see that the fieldwork is happening, the data has been collected, but it's a moment of rejoice that to get 1257 records from one city, none of the other cities have come closer to you. So you are really a special lot, and I'm really proud of all of you. So here is what I want to share with you, that now I'm actually very eager to hear your experiences, your presentations. See, collection of data and participation in the competition is one part of it. But what is really going to matter is the process what you underwent in doing this exercise. Whether you enjoyed it, whether you learned anything new, whether something is going to remain with you even when this challenge is no more there. So that's very important, and I want to hear more of your experiences, that how you felt using this mobile apps, what were the interesting experiences you had while collecting the data, what were the horrible or funny incidents that happened, whether people are finding you crazy that you're standing on a road and looking at a tree and trying to click a picture, or because I normally do that and people say, what are you doing? Because I'm basically an insect expert, so I keep looking down and I try to take picture, and then I go on a morning walk, so if I find some butterfly or insect, I just stop and I try to take pictures. So people just come, kya hai udhar? Because people find it very crazy, like what is this girl doing, trying to look down. So I'm sure you would be having such funny incidents, so please do share about it. And also lastly, do let us know, myself and WWF, we would like to know whether our idea of developing a mobile app, whether it was a successful idea, whether you found it that yes, this is a method that works with the Y generation, and this is a method what probably more and more educators should really look into it, using technology. Yeah, so while you do your presentations, please don't forget to mention your experiences, because that's very important, and also the presentations what you have made